Hello everyone! Cheryl Anian once again here in Saladmaster in Perth. And today I want to show you how to cook steak using Saladmaster. And of course I'm going to use, you can use other cookware, but for today I'm going to use the limited edition 6-quart Elite Sauté, which is part of our complete gourmet collection with the gold inlay. So let's start. The ingredients are, of course, our steak, T-bone steak, and rosemary, and garlic, which we cut in half like this, and thyme. So the first thing that we have to do is, of course, to wash and clean our steak, and then put a little bit of salt and pepper, just like that. And I am going to heat up the cookware at medium heat. And let's wait till the cookware is ready. Okay, now our cookware is ready, but of course you have to test the cookware, see if the water dancing. I'm happy. Now it's time to put our steak. Okay, and then crack the lid so that the moisture will come out. Otherwise, it's gonna be too moist inside. So the length of cooking, it depends on how you want it to be. If you want rare, 2 minutes each side. If you want medium rare, around 7 minutes, so 4 minutes and 3 minutes other side. And if you want it well done, 8 to 10 minutes. So for this one, I prefer my steak to be medium rare. So we will cook it for 4 minutes this side, and then later 3 minutes for the other side. Okay, after 4 minutes, time to flip it over. And of course, the best tool for flipping or turning something is our Saladmaster turner. Perfect because it's very thin. Okay, let's see. Okay, so for the meantime, what we have to do is the garlic that we cut in half. Basically, we just waited for the oil to come out from the beef itself, and we will put it on the cookware. And then for the rosemary and the thyme, we will just put it on the top. We will put back the lid. Again, crack. No, it has to be a bit open, and then wait for another 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes, that's our steak. And we will let it rest for about 3 to 5 minutes before we cut it. Okay, now it's time to cut. After it rested for about 3 to 5 minutes. Medium rare steak. I just want to remind you that the 6-quart Elite Sauté is only available until October 31. So for a limited time only. And once it's gone, it's gone. So this is the best time to get it by hosting a party. Contact your dealer or your consultant if you want to know more. But definitely, it's a big size. It's a good size for your family cooking. And it's the last piece of the complete gourmet collection. So definitely a must-have, especially if you have the initial release of the collection. So with that, I want to thank you all for always supporting us. See you again on our next video. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you so much. See you again next time. Bye for now.